Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious yogurt oatmeal, a simple and nutritious meal perfect for any time of day. We'll cover everything from the basic ingredients to delightful toppings. This guide will help you create a satisfying breakfast or snack that is both easy to prepare and incredibly versatile. Get ready to transform your morning routine with this wholesome and customizable recipe. Now, let's prepare the oatmeal base. Start by combining 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of your chosen liquid, such as water, milk, or a plant-based alternative. Cook this mixture on the stovetop over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches a creamy consistency. If you prefer, you can microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring halfway through for a quicker option. Once your cooked oats have cooled down a bit, it's time to incorporate the star ingredient, yogurt. Gently stir in about 1/2 cup of your favorite yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for a boost of protein and a wonderfully thick texture. Then, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a sweetener like honey, maple syrup, or agave. Feel free to adjust the amount to achieve your desired level of sweetness. To complete your yogurt oatmeal, let's talk about toppings. This is where you can truly customize your creation. Add fresh fruits like berries, sliced bananas, or apples for natural sweetness. For a delightful crunch, sprinkle on some chopped nuts, seeds, or granola. A dash of cinnamon or a drizzle of your favorite nut butter can also elevate the flavor. Serve immediately and savor your delicious, homemade yogurt oatmeal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.